contracts in this video. Forwards are customized over-the-counter contracts between a buyer and a seller for transaction which will happen in the future date. So in the example discussed before, like farmer entering into the contract with the packaged food company XYZ to sell his harvest in the future is an example of a forward contract. Let's understand this concept with a little detailed example. Say imagine a situation where you wish to purchase gold ornaments which are kind of a customized design. You want a particular design on your ornaments in. So you go to a goldsmith where he showed you design, you approve it, but he takes a delivery of at least 15 days time to make that particular design. So you have two options. Either you pay 100% advance today at the today's gold rate to this goldsmith, or you enter into a contract where you choose an option to enter into this customized contract, pay some advance money to the goldsmith and book that ornament at today's gold rate. So the term of this contract are specially tailor-made to your needs, where you and the goldsmith both are agreeing upon it. This contract entitles you to buy this gold ornament after 15 days but at today's gold's price. Now after 15 days we can have two scenarios. Either the price of gold may go up or down from the agreed upon gold rate 15 days prior. So now legally, irrespective of the gold rate after 15 days later, you need to buy and the goldsmith needs to sell the ornament to you at the price which was agreed at the time of entering into the contract. Both the parties are liable to abide by the contract. Now say suppose after 15 days consider the gold rate to be down than the agreed rate. So you may choose not to buy the gold ornament because gold rates are lower, so letting the advance go a waste. And say if the gold rate increases after 15 days, then the goldsmith may choose not to give you gold at that lower rate. So in this case, there does exist a risk of counterparty default. And there is no mediator or a broker involved to settle this contract. So as a contract between you and goldsmith directly where no mediator is involved. So to summarize, forward contracts are customized bilateral contracts between two parties involved, buyer and seller. No mediator is involved, and forward contract has three basic limitations: counterparty default risk, illiquid, and then there is no guarantee of settlement. So when we can use this kind of contract then, for what kind of transactions will forward contracts are used? Are they actually useless? No. They can be used where their asset is illiquid. When there is good amount of fluctuation in the underlying price of the asset, normally we should avoid these kind of contracts. Banks and other financial institutions normally enter into a forward contract. In the goldsmith example, the underlying was gold, precious metal, and the price is fluctuating every day. Hence, forward contracts are not an ideal solution for such type of an asset class. Thank you.